Good morning, students. I am Dr.R.SUGANYA, Department of Computer Science with Cybersecurity, Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Today we are going to see about the introduction to Java programming. Contents. We are going to see about what is Java, about Java architecture, about JDK and summary. What is Java? Java is an object-oriented programming language created by James Gosling from Sun Microsystem in 1991. It is originally called Oak by James Gosling, one of the inventors of Java language. The target of Java is to write a program once and then run this program on multiple operating systems. The first publicly available version of Java was released in 1995 and Sun Microsystem was acquired by Oracle Corporation in 2010. This write once, run anywhere. Java milestone. In 1990, Sun decided to develop special software that could be used for electronic devices. A project called Green Project created and headed by James Gosling. In 1991, explored possibility of using C++ with some updates announced a new language named Oak. In 1992, the team demonstrated the application of their new language to control a list of home appliances using a handheld device. In 1993, the World Wide Web appeared on the internet and transformed the text-based interface to a graphical-rich environment. The team developed web applets that could run on all types of computers connected to the internet. In 1994, the team developed a new web browser called Hard Java to locate and run applets. Hard Java gained instant success. In 1995, Oak was renamed to Java as it did not survive legal registration. Many companies such as Netscape and Microsoft announced their support for Java. In 1996, Java established itself as both language for internet programming and it's like a general purpose object oriented language. In 1997, a class libraries, community effort and standardization, enterprise Java, clustering, etc. Java features. It is familiar, it is simple and small, it is compiled and interpreted, it is a platform independent and portable, it is object oriented, it is robust and secure, it is distributed language, multi-threaded and interactive, it's high performance, it has a dynamic and extensible. Java architecture. Java code. Java code will always be saved in .java. So it can be compiled from source code to object code, that is byte code, which is like a machine language, and it is being read by Java virtual machine, which is a hardware, and it can be run with any operating system like Windows, Linux and Mac. Java virtual machine. As we know that all programming language compilers convert the source code to machine code. Same job is done by Java compiler to run a Java program, but the difference is that the Java compiler converts the source code into intermediate code, which is called as a bytecode. This machine is called Java virtual machine and it exits only inside the computer memory. The three main tasks are performed by JVM. It loads the code, verifies the code and executes the code. Loads code, which means it is performed by the class loader. When it has been verified, it is verified by performed by the bytecode verifier. Executes code when it performed by the runtime interpreter. Class loader. The class loader loads all classes needed for execution of a program. The class loader adds security by separating the namespaces for the classes of the local file system from those imported from network sources. This limits any Trojan horse applications because local classes are always loaded first. After all of the classes have been loaded, the memory layout of the execution file is determined. At this point, specific memory addresses are assigned to symbolic references and the lookup table is created. Because memory layout occurs at runtime, the Java technology interpreter adds protection against unauthorized access into the restricted areas of code. The bytecode verifier. Java software code pauses several tests before running on your machine. The Java virtual machine puts the code through a bytecode verifier that tests that format of code fragments and it checks code fragments for illegal code, which is code that forges pointers, violates access rights on objects, or attempts to change object type. Verification process. The bytecode verifier makes 4 passes on the code in a program. It ensures that the code adheres to the Java virtual machine specifications and does not violate system integrity. If the verifier completes all 4 passes without returning an error message, then the following is ensured. The classes adhere to class file format of JVM specification. There are no access restriction violation. The code causes no operand stack overflows or underflows. The types of parameters for all operational codes are correct. No illegal data conversions such as converting integers to object references have occurred. Write once, run anywhere. So how it is being translated? That is, the program once it is being done in the software, it is saved as filename.java. Then it is being compiled with the program which we have defined with the class name, and that is compiler just translates from the source code to bytecode, and the bytecode which is being taken to the Java virtual machine, which is being machine readable, which can be machine readable, and then it is being read by the system or run in any software system or any operating system like Windows, Mac or Linux. Types of Java application: standalone application, enterprise application and mobile applications. So these are the types of Java applications. Standalone applications, that is J2SE. It is also known as desktop applications or Windows based applications to develop the client-side standalone applications or applets. Enterprise applications to develop server-side applications such as Java servlets and Java server pages. Mobile applications, that is to develop applications for mobile devices such as cell phones. The fundamentals of OOPS. The basic concepts of object-oriented programming is as follows: objects, classes, data abstraction and encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, dynamic binding and message passing. Java Development Kit. Java C is a Java compiler. Java is a Java interpreter. JDB is Java debugger. Applet viewer means the tool to run the applets. Java P to print the Java bytecodes. Java profiler. Java doc is a documentation generator. Java H creates C header files. Let us try out building our first. Here is the first program, that is class name hello internet with a public static void main string arguments, and system.out.println, which is used to print particular statement in the screen. So compilation, how to compile Java here with using Java C. Java C is denoted with Java compiler. So Java C, the program name .java. So it results in hello internet .class. So the execution is Java and hello internet, which is a class name. So we get the whatever which has been printed for system.out.println, that is hello internet. Summary. So Java has emerged as a general purpose object oriented language. It supports both standalone and internet applications. It makes a web interactive and medium for application delivery. It provides an excellent set of tools for application development. Thank you.